Scientists have always been searching for the basic building block of the universe. In chemistry and physics, we learned that this constituent is the atom, but we have since discovered that these elements are made up of protons, neutrons, and electrons. We are just opening door after door to find smaller and smaller subatomic particles. What if this fundamental component that makes up all that we know and observe about the universe isn't a particle at all? Though we don't know much about it yet, energy itself could be that fundamental component. This mysterious property of matter itself is much more central to the physics of the universe than we realize. First, let's talk about the most famous equation in physics. E equals mc squared. Though many people believe that this means that you can convert between mass and energy, this is not the case. Instead, a simple algebraic change shows us that mass is really an indicator of the amount of energy in an object. Here's an example. Let's weigh two bricks next to each other on a perfectly sensitive scale. Together, the bricks weigh about 14 pounds. But here's the interesting part. If I place this on top of the other, the scale actually registers a small change in the mass of the two bricks. The gravitational potential energy that I added to the top brick makes the mass of these two bricks more than it was before. Another example of this is if I'm in a mirrored room and I turn on a laser. The laser emits a beam of photons and loses chemical energy, but the mass of the room does not change because of the extra energy from the photons. Diving deep into the smallest particles of the universe, the molecules and atoms that make up matter have kinetic and thermal energy, and the individual parts of the atoms, the protons, neutrons, and electrons, all have potential energy drawing and keeping them together to form substances. Even the masses of these atomic particles come from quark potential energy and potential energy from interactions with the Higgs field. The effects of this realization are astounding. Because we already know that mass warps space-time, the four-dimensional fabric that tells matter how to move, we can see that energy is responsible for gravity as well as for time itself. By using this basic building block of the universe, we will make discoveries that will give us better power sources and more potential for scientific and innovative growth in the future. We will come closer than ever before to understanding the origins of the universe and harnessing the energy within. Energy is the essence of the universe. The only question is what we will do with that knowledge. Thanks for watching.